This video is brought to you with support from my patrons on Patreon. Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and finally it's time for another layout construction update. Welcome back everybody. I know it's been a while since you've seen the progress that I've made on my layout, so we're gonna look at that. We're gonna check it out today. I've done a little bit of work and we have some track running. Who knows, maybe some trains will run. Let's check it out. Before we begin work, let's take a look at the layout design in SCARM. The layout is 80 inches by 30 inches and has two main areas with a partial scenic break. I decided to incorporate a yard this time. It has a capacity of 15 cars and will also be home to at least one switcher. It's also got a runaround track that is partially on the main line. The layout will have three industries that are to be determined. One will have a capacity of 3 cars and the other two will have a capacity of 2 cars. I may have 2 industries share a track, giving me a 4th industrial spot. Here is a complete overview of the layout, and I have a parts list in the description below. Okay, now it's time to glue our foam base to the board. I measure the top to get my exact dimensions, and then I bring my 4x8 foam sheet in to cut it to size. I cut the foam by scoring it and snapping it. I make sure to save that extra foam for later scenery. To glue the foam board, I use my go-to adhesive for this situation, which is standard latex caulk. I then place the board, align it, and weigh it down to dry overnight. Once the latex caulk is dry, I grab the track and start placing it in the positions that it will go. I then go and mark the points where a hole will need to be drilled for wiring. And there are a lot of these. I then remove the track and begin drilling holes. Now the layout is prepped for wiring, but I couldn't resist a chance for a first run. So I brought the track back in, hooked up a power pack, and took one of my test locomotives for a spin. So that's what's been going on the layout, getting some progress done, getting ready to do some fun stuff on it. You got to get that base ready to go before anything else. So thank you guys so much for watching. I want to say a big thank you to all of my patrons. They're listed right here. You can become a patron for as little as $1 a month and check out exclusive behind the scenes photos of things like this layout. So you can check that out, link in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Stay safe, be kind, and happy railroading. That door has been open this entire time, hasn't it? Ugh! You want to see how messy it is?